What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to put an update on my new phone that I got. It's a Galaxy S9 Plus. And one thing that I wanted to put out there, anybody else that may be running the Galaxy S9 Plus that's on Straight Talk, it appears that you can do the Wi-Fi tether, the hotspot, for free. My previous phone before this, I was using the Galaxy S7 Active. It was AT&T, but it was on Straight Talk. And if I was going to enable the hotspot, it would tell me that it couldn't activate, that I had to contact my service provider. So, I wanted to activate the hotspot on this, so I was under the assumption that I had to root the device. So I gathered all the tools and drivers on my MacBook, and I was going to get to it a little earlier. But right before I did it, just for ha-has, I went to the settings. I'll show you. Went to settings, connections, under mobile hotspot and tethering. I'm under, let's see, my airplane mode is on right now, so we're going to just take that off and just give that a minute. Okay, so I pulled up mobile hotspot and tethering, and this is how the screen will look for you too. By default, I clicked to enable the hotspot, and right at this point right now is when it would pop up on my previous phone and say, hey, can't activate the cellular hotspot, contact your service provider and dial 611. So that means that you have to pay for it when that happens. So this happened before, no error message, nothing like that. It just said it was on. So I hopped on my laptop, I went to browse the networks, and there it was. That was the SSID that appeared to Verizon, SM, that whatever, because it's natively a Verizon phone. Yours will be something similar to that if you're running a Verizon phone. If you're running Sprint, AT&T, it'll just, be different. It'll say AT&T dash something or Sprint dash something, but it's working. I didn't pay for anything. This is stock firmware, Android 8.0 Oreo. I think it may have something to do with that. So if you're running Android 8.0, even if you don't have a Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, give it a shot. Let me know if it works. Like on your Let's see, I had an LG G6 that was Android 7.0. It didn't work. Just like my Galaxy S7 was running Android 7.0. It didn't work on that. It was Marshmallow or Nougat. It wasn't working. So apparently, whatever they did on Android 8.0, it's working. At least for Straight Talk, I'm pulling down 80 to 100 megabits per second. Awesome. I'm not paying anything extra for it, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you want a hotspot, get yourself a Galaxy S9 or something running Android Oreo. Get yourself on Straight Talk. My plan's $55 a month, completely unlimited, no throttling. Last month I was able, I think my data was 118 gigs I pulled down for the month. Didn't get any throttling whatsoever, so it's definitely worth $55 a month. So if you have any questions, post in the comments below. And thanks for checking my video out. Peace out.